Question 17. Table 4 shows information about 3 chemical cells, or known as voidic cell, where anode is negative terminal, cathode is positive terminal. Normally, anode is like, they use the metal like magnesium, like aluminum, like zinc, which is more electropositive, which is at the top one. And the cathode normally use like copper, silver, which is at the bottom, which is less electropositive metal. So what is the voltage for the pair between P and S? Now this one, the calculation goes like this. Let's say between P and Q, the voltage is 0.15. And the negative terminal is Q. So which is at anode negative terminal, here is Q. Which you might arrange, which one is more electropositive, P or Q? Now, since this one is anode negative terminal for Q, so that's why Q is supposed to be more electropositive than P. So Q is on top of P. So between them, you got positive 0.15 volt. Okay, then RQ, the negative terminal is R. So it means R is on top of Q. R is on top of Q, which between them, you got 1.55 volt. And RS, which R is also negative terminal, between RS containing positive 2.45 volt. So the biggest gap is between R and S, isn't it? Okay, around 2.45 volt. It means either one, it should be the first and the last. So it means R is on top, isn't it? So R actually here is the most electropositive metal, and the S is the last one. Okay, and between Q and P, which one first? Now Q first, then only P. Yes, Q is below R, yes. And then P is below Q. Yes. But the S is the least one at the bottom. So between the calculation, RS is positive 2.45 volt. And then QP is positive 1.55. RQ is positive 0.15. So it means they ask for PS how much? Actually very simple. Now we analyze already. We just use total positive 2.45 minus positive 0.15 minus positive 1.55. Then you will get positive 0.75 volt. So the answer should be A.